All right, UH Nation, today we're going to show you how to create a tournament bracket using our admin page. It's important to note that when you create a tournament bracket, you are not going to want to create a regular game schedule, or excuse me, a regular playoff schedule. Doing both will cause errors that you'll need to go and actually redo the whole process. So again, when you create a tournament schedule or a tournament bracket, you do not want to create a regular schedule. Okay? So you'll click first on tournament schedule within the admin page. We're going to do one for Westminster, Colorado today. So we'll click here on Westminster. We'll click on the current season and we'll click what type it is. Open. Now this links to an already established league on the admin page. So we'll click new. Click new tournament. Tournament detail, we can call it Westminster Open Tournament. Name abbreviation, maybe Westminster Open. Doesn't necessarily matter. Obviously you want to use the club name if possible, the tournament type there. Yes, you want it published. You can use an embed code. So here I have the Westminster Lifetime pulled up here on Google Maps. Click here on the bottom, little gear, share and embed map. Click on embed maps. Copy and paste. Again, not required by any means, but kind of nice to have. Shows people where it is. So, okay, select the leagues. Want to add a league here. Obviously, we're doing a Westminster tournament. We'll want to add a Westminster league. Want to make sure we're getting summer 2014 Westminster, which is right here. Now, if you're pulling multiple leagues together, for like Fridley and Bloomington, they come together, Tempe and Scottsdale come together at the end of the season, you would then add the second league here. Tournament brackets, this is going to be an 8-team tournament. So again, we can go Westminster Open, and then again there. 3 rounds, we'll display the winner, we'll display the teams, we'll submit. The rest is in a way pretty self-explanatory, but round 1 we'll want to name, I believe that'd be quarterfinals. There'll be 4 games, and these games will be take place on September 11th. The final 4 will be 2 games, those will take place on September 18th. And the championship will be 1 game, and that will also take place on the 18th. Save that. You go to games. Here your bracket is set up for you. Okay, you want to name, or you want to go here, and this is where you can either select a team. All the Westminster teams are located in there. Or in this case, you would not select a parent game. I'll show you how to do that later on. So here we're just going to select a placeholder text, seed number 1 versus seed number 8. Court Westminster Lifetime Fitness. Copy that. First game will be at 6. This will be seed 4 versus seed. Now again, this is just placeholder text for the time being. You'll be able to go in here once the seeds are decided and change what you need to change. Right down the line. Last game is at 9 o'clock. Now is when we'll start using the placeholder text. So game 5, you're going to want winner of game 1 versus winner of game 2. So you go select parent game, winner of game 1 versus winner of game 2. This will be at the Westminster Lifetime Fitness at 6. Here you'll go winner of game 3. Now once you've populated this, you'll never have to change anything here, because this will self-populate once you enter in the actual teams here when your seeding meeting is complete. And here we'll go winner of game 5, final 4 game, versus winner of game 6. And this will be at 8 o'clock. Something to keep in mind if you're doing back-to-back games, you might want to put this game for 8:15 or 8:30. They requested 8, so we'll leave it there. And you also want to give the number 1 seed the presumed break here. So this will be a back-to-back game, 7 and 8. You want the number 1 seed to have the benefit, potentially, to have that break as they've earned it. Okay, this is complete. Let's go here, leagues.uhlife.com. Colorado, let's go to Westminster schedules. Again, we always want to check everything. And there's our bracket completed. You can also click here, and there it is there as well. So again, when you're done, you'll go, or when the seeding meeting is done, you can go back in here and you can change this to, let's say the number 1 seed was Afternoon Delight versus Lucky Charms. There you have it. Again, one final reminder, when you're creating a tournament bracket, you do not need to also create a tournament schedule as you would a regular season schedule. That will confuse the system and cause you to have to redo everything. So that's all for now. Thank you.